ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 3, Exercise 3A. Question number 13. A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying shares of a company of face value of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. If he earns rupees 1,200 at the end of the year as dividend, find the number of shares he has in the company. Second, the dividend percent per share. It is asked in 2001. Answer 13. Sum invested in the company equal to rupees 8,800. Face value of each share is equal to rupees 100. Each share. Market value of at a premium of 10% equal to rupees 100 plus 10% of rupees 100 equal to 110 rupees 110 each share. Number of shares is equal to rupees 8,800 by 110 equal to 80 shares. Face value of 80 shares is equal to 18 to 100 is equal to rupees 8,000. Amount of dividend is equal to 1,200. Dividend percent is equal to rupees 1,200 by rupees 8,000, that is face value, into 100 equal to 15%. Question number 14. A man invests rupees 1,680 in buying shares of a nominal value of rupees 24 and selling at 12% premium. The dividend on shares is 15% per annum. Calculate the number of shares he buys. The dividend he receives annually. Answer 14. The sum invested is equal to rupees 1,680. Nominal value of each share is rupees 24. Market value of each share is equal to rupees 24 plus 12% of 24 is equal to 24 plus 12 by 100 into 24 is equal to 24 plus 288 by 100 is equal to 24 plus 2.88 is equal to 26.88 rupees. The number of shares rupees he bought is equal to rupees 1,680 by rupees 26.88 is equal to 62.5 shares. The amount value, the nominal value of 62.5 shares equal to 62.5 into 24 equal to rupees 1,500. Annual dividend is equal to 15% of rupees 1,500 is equal to 15 by 100 of rupees 1,500 is equal to rupees 225. That's all.